Welcome everybody. My name is Vince Fekete from SolarKit, and this will be about the mounting solutions what we are having. As you know, we have an installation part. It was our starting division, and this is why we just find and right now distribute these mounting systems because we are using it. We know it's quicker to install these elements than others, and we always try to make our procurement and our product development according to our experiences on the roof. So what makes a good mounting structure? The first level is a metal. A lot of customers have experience with metal. They can weld it, they can make themselves a do-it-yourself mounting structure. And you know, that's not so secure that we can provide and we can distribute it, but it's a kind. The metal is the base, and after that comes the basic mounting solution, where it's not just a welding experience, it's engineering part where they just make the shapes. They just be sure that these metal elements, aluminum and stainless steel, can withhold the forces. The third one, what makes a good mounting structure, the professional level, is the ability to make it tailor-made for the current places. So for the professional mounting structure, mounting system, we need an experienced engineer who can make the good shapes, who can use the proper raw materials. Then we need a good manufacturing quality. Then we need a fast logistics, because of course we are not produce it here in Hungary or in Europe. We import it. It needs a good design. That means a localized design. And of course, we need a structural calculations. And these all we can provide for you at the mount kit. The mount kit is suitable for every roof types. So you can find here solution for the tile roofs, for beaver tile, for concrete tile, for the flat tiles. What you can secure always on a weight holding element, and then you put the rail on it, then the panel, and you are using clamps and mid clamps to secure it. We provide system for the shingle roof. Here you can see the mini rails and the hanger bolt too. You can use the mini rail in a low pitch, low degree tilted roofs, and for the high pitch roofs, I recommend the hanger bolt to use, because you know, it goes straight to the wood, to the weight holding structure, and it's more secure. So it is your responsibility to make a good survey on the field, and according to that you can just choose which solution is more suitable for that place. We have solution for the metal roof too, also for the sheet metal, trapezoidal metal, for the sandwich panels, and for the stainless seam roof too. For the seam, we can use these clamps. It's a little clamp for lower degrees, lower tilt, and you can use for the higher tilt these bigger ones. This is the base, and to that you can secure these L-feets, and for these L-feets comes the rail, of course. For the sheet metal and sandwich panel, you can use mainly the mini rails, which is also a rail, so you don't have to make new railing system, but you have to be sure about the thickness of the sheet should be minimum of 0.5 millimeter. There are 0.4 millimeter thick sheets. You can use more screws to secure it, but according to our calculations, it's always safe from a half a millimeter thick sheet metal to put a system. And yes, we have for the flat roof too, we have a south and east-west orientation system. It's a ballasted one, so you do not weld anything to the roof. You just put ballast weight to the rails, to the these ballast trays, and it will secure the whole system on the roof. And of course, we have rails and accessories to use. I would like to highlight the mid clamp with these grounding plates, because these grounding plates have a little teeth, let's say. It scratches the panel's surface, so it makes a galvanic connection between the panel and the rail. And after that, from the rail, you can make the grounding with these little tools. We've made a little test. If you use this one and this one, it's quicker to make the whole grounding for the structure than you make the old one. So when you screw the cables with a metal end to the rails. So yes, these, and even the spring, what is here, it holds the middle clamp at this position. So that means when you just put the next panel under it, it not bends, it not just falls down. So you just easily put under the next panel and then you can secure it and it stands like this. The structural sizing is no longer a privilege. What does it mean? Our biggest competitors are a little bit ahead on this. They provide a static calculation for their flat roof systems. Right now, we are capable to do it so. So we can provide you a full structural static calculation, what you can use. And there is a ballast map. And if you compare the service, it's the same. And if you compare the prices, I think we are better on this. But let's go through it. What do we need to make these ballast calculations? Of course, a wind tunnel test. We made it in Germany, in the best facility in Europe, to get the exact forces what comes with the wind on these systems. And with this, we implemented it to market-leading software. How can you get these report or project report? At the first step, we need the project data from you. So you have to provide location and basic informations. Then, of course, we make the drawings of the roof. We check, is that solar panel capable to be clamped on the short side or should be clamped on the long side too. Then we make a lot of planning, also in CAD, structural analysis, and then we make a price offer with a panel layout for you. We can send it, and if you order it, then you will get the whole project report. What kind of data do we need to do it? In the first page, of course, you have to choose the country, your contact person, so the salesperson who are you connected to, your name and email address, and then the system data. We need their exact address or coordinate about that roof. So if you put the address to the Google Maps and it shows other place or other building, please just click a little bit aside and there comes the coordinates, you can just paste it here. We need the height of the building. Of course, the height of the attic wall. The attic wall is that wall, if you stand on the roof, is there a little bit higher roof at the side of the building or not? If there is, then we need the height of that and the width of that. And of course, we need the roof width and length. We need the roof pitch, and we need the roof covering, like concrete roof or gravel roof, bitumen roof, and so on and so on. And here comes the tricky part, the wind category. So here you can see 5 categories from 0 to 4. The category 0 is like when you are on a coast at the sea. So there is unbroken wind, but just comes with a high force. And in the category 4, there is a lot of other buildings, trees, and so on, what just breaks the wind. We have a little explanation there, but it's always good to be sure which category do you choose. We can help on it if you need, but it's a crucial part. We need system alignment. So do you need the south or the east-west facing system? And we need the module orientation. As you see here on the picture, the first one is a south-aligned system, and in the second, it is parallel to the roof. Both is south-facing, but the first one is it goes exactly to south. The second one is parallel to the roof. It's totally up to you. How do you want to put these panels? And of course, the production will be a little bit different on these sections. We need a solar panel, and if you have any information about the system size, about the layout or question, just fill it here and we can make the plans according to this. So at the end, what does the report include? We give you a detailed execution plan. What does it mean? We give you a millimeter right placement map for the rails, for the elements on the rail, for the ballast trays. We give you a ballast map, so you can see how much weight, how much stone should you put to the system. It's on the map. We give you a point load per panel on the roof. This is what is mostly used by the static person. And of course, we give you the BOM, the bill of material, so you can check it that you got everything on the procurement. So from our sales guys, we can give you the same security for the lower price than the big players, and we are working on secure the whole walkthrough, whole process for you to be the easiest one, and then install in the right way and the right tools. So if you have any questions, I will be here. You can ask. We will have much more videos on the web about this. And when you want to be sure that your flat roof system will or should stay on the roof, then just reach out us, reach your salesperson, and we will help to you. Thank you very much for your attention.